I'm so glad that I came to Principia because I feel ready to enter into any job market and that my academics are really proving to be able to transfer into the real world. And you really get a hands-on experience from your teachers, and there's just a one-on-one connection that's so personal and really just makes you so prepared for life after college, and the teachers really help you succeed in everything that you do. There's different social events every single weekend that you get to just have so much fun with your friends, whether that be going bowling or playing dodgeball or playing in a volleyball tournament. There's just so many opportunities to just connect and have fun with your friends. And I know that a couple of these friendships will last forever.